Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring the essentials are current. Update Discord and your device OS so compatibility issues are removed. Once done, disconnect VPNs and switch to a stable network to rule out intermittent auth failures. Next, sign out properly, then clear the app cache or browser cookies for fresh authentication. This eliminates corrupt stored tokens. Make sure you know your login method, email/password, SSO, or phone link, so the next sign-in uses the correct flow and providers. Now re-authenticate deliberately. Choose the exact sign-in method you used previously and complete any required email or phone verification prompts. If two-factor authentication is enabled, use your Authenticator app or backup codes. If it fails, disable then re-enable 2FA after regaining access. In your user settings, review and revoke unfamiliar sessions to prevent remote logouts. If you see unknown sessions or repeated forced logouts, change your password to a strong, unique one and finish by reinstalling the Discord app or try signing in via an incognito browser to bypass extensions and cache data. Make sure device time and date are exact. Authentication tokens can fail when clocks drift. Disable aggressive security apps or battery savers that kill background processes and break sessions. If the problem persists, gather screenshots, error messages, and client logs, then contact Discord support with those details. A key troubleshooting tip: test a different network and device to determine whether the issue is account or device specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.